Hi friends, this is Ramesh, Practical Accounting Trainer. As a part of Practical Accounting Training, in my previous video, you know very well that what is accounting types and branches in accounting. One is financial accounting, another one is cost accounting, third one is management accounting. So as in the business concern, the business point of view, as an accountant, if someone say accounting means that is financial accounting only. So instead of repeating every time financial accounting, you can say just accounting. Accounting means financial accounting only. So today's topic, what is the accounting? What are the definitions available regarding accounting? I am not going into deep for all definitions. I took one good definition. It is generally accepted definition. The definition is given by the AICPA, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. This is generally accepted accounting definition. So, see what is exactly the definition. It says accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing and reporting of all financial transactions in a significant manner and interpreting thereof. That is the definition given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. The definition itself gives us the steps in accounting. As an accountant, what is supposed to do? The definition itself, it is telling us what are the steps. See, accounting is an art. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and reporting of all financial transactions. All financial transactions. All financial transactions in a significant way. All financial transactions in a significant way. In a significant way. And interpreting the results thereof. This is the definition given by AICPA, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Accounting is an art. It is not a science. There is no specific scientific formulas. So whatever the way you want, you can account. And next one, recording. Recording means what is recording? Recording is nothing but entry level, entry making. Is nothing but entry. It's a daybook transactions. Classifying concern with ledger posting. Is nothing but a ledger posting. Summarizing means trial balance. It is nothing but trial balance. Reporting means all financial reports, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Recording is nothing but entry level daybook entry, passing of general entries. Classifying means posting into the ledgers. Summarizing means preparation of trial balance. Reporting means financial reports, that is trading and profit loss account, and balance sheet. Trading and profit loss account and balance sheet. Significant way. Significant way. What does it mean? Significant way means in a orderly manner. In a orderly manner. In a particular order. Orderly manner. Orderly manner. What is that order? It is a chronological order. All the accounting entries are recorded in chronological order. The entry level, from since entry level, all the transactions are recorded in significant way, that is orderly manner, that is chronological order. And interpreting the results, it means ratio analysis. Ratios. Nothing but ratios. So friends, this is the generally accepted definition given by American Institute of Public Accountants. If you see the definition itself, it shows what are the duties, what are the steps in accounting. So we may call it as step 1 in accounting, step 2 in accounting, step 3 in summarizing, step 4 is reporting, and step 5 is interpreting the results. Interpreting the results. So this is the definition of accounting. Friends, I believe that you have better idea about what is accounting. In the next video, I will explain what are the types of accounting, what are the types of accounting methods, how many methods are available, and what is generally accepted method, that we are going to discuss. Until then, bye. Thank you.